Look at this collection. The standard approach to formal wear involves staring at dark suits and grabbing the nearest accessory. Shuffling through novelty pieces and mismatched metals in the morning is a flawed, human method. This gauge shows the mathematical failure rate of human intuition. A random cuffling choice hits the red zone, with an average chromatic resonance index of 3.2 out of 10. Chromatic resonance theory explains why. Every fabric emits a subtle color frequency. Black wool vibrating at 380 nanometers requires a different metallic pairing than black cashmere at 382 nanometers. The math is clear. The cosmos does not play dice with cufflinks. Fixing this meant removing human choice. We replaced guesswork with an automated, cloud-native infrastructure driven by an artificial intelligence. The process begins when the user snaps a photo of their outfit. An AWS API gateway routes the image through to a serverless Lambda function for processing. While the image processes, the system pulls available accessory options from a strictly organized S3 bucket catalog, retrieving material descriptions and visual metadata files. The system then accesses its memory center, the latent space thought notebook, powered by DynamoDB. The database enforces a 30-day querying rule. It scans past entries to eliminate the risk of consecutive cuffling repetition, ensuring the user's wardrobe avoids stagnation. This history informs the accessory alignment score. The code analyzes past selections to ensure today's metallic choice advances the protagonist's overarching style arc. The cloud database maps this trajectory. It treats individual selections as coordinates in a multi-week style narrative, rather than isolated morning choices. Inside the Python logic, engineering gives way to astrology. Planetary hour alignments prioritize silver for Monday's lunar energy. Conway's method calculates moon phases. Full moons demand high-polish metals. New moons suggest matte. Finally, numerological reduction distills the date into a single design vibration. The outfit photo, catalog, and cosmic calculations are all injected into a single system prompt. Rigid constraints within this prompt forbid the Gemini LLM from suggesting alternatives or hedging. It must output one definitive choice formatted as a JSON object. This code forces a general-purpose AI to act as a Savile Row tailor who holds a doctorate in astrophysics. The user receives a JSON decree. It provides the chosen cufflink and a string of reasoning explaining why the cosmos demands this specific pairing. This elevates the morning routine into a calculated event, hitting a chromatic resonance index of 7.5 or higher with every consultation. The code behind the curtain matches the tailor's expression. This serverless AWS architecture uses DynamoDB and Gemini LLM integrations to process data with total precision. The application serves as a case study for the integration of modern APIs, fast NoSQL databases, and generative AI models. The most sophisticated code a developer writes does not need to disrupt an industry or generate a cent of revenue. This architecture stands as a towering monument to exactly what happens when massive computing power meets a trivial morning problem. It exists because the math allowed it.